So what does a typical day look like? We've told you it should be 15 minutes, no more. In those 15 minutes, we would like for you to start with a counting task. Now this counting task will be a reflection on where that child is and what skill that child needs. How long will that take? 2, maybe 3 minutes. If a child is really struggling, we have included 100 square and some transparent, translucent counters that can be used to assist them in their counting task. Following those 2 minutes, you're then going to focus on the task of the day. What you choose comes again from what we've already looked at in terms of our progress chart, which looks at where are the necessary skills that need enhancing and what are the tasks that we're doing. So I may look on here and think, oh, I've been working on task 6 and it looks like we're making some progress. Let's just do it one more time. So to reiterate, it's not one task per day throughout the 6 weeks. You may take a few days to do each task as they begin to grow in confidence and skills. So I would find task 6, because that's what my progress chart tells me. When I find my task 6, I'm also going to look and see what activity card will a child need. And the child needs activity card 3. And here it is. So the child will have the Rekenrek and the activity card. And what is that child going to do? I'm simply going to read the instructions step by step. The child will follow those instructions, and there are some things on here. Some things are in gray, which means you're going to be looking at or watching for or thinking about or questioning. And the good news is we also have a daily prompt or things to talk about or good questions, because as you're assessing throughout this whole 15 minutes, you're going to be thinking about the conversations that you're having, the observations that you're making, and the product. What is it that they are showing you through that CPA approach? So a little guide as to good questions and things to look for and watch. After the child has completed that, maybe 1 or 2 or 3 times in that up to 10-minute period, you're going to move on to the last part, which is again a follow-up counting task, or you may choose to do what I call an anytime card. There's anytime card A, B, and C, and these are skills that are fundamental to children, but are designed to be practiced on a regular basis. So with anytime card A, you can see here, you need anytime card A card for the child. Again, these are very clear step-by-step instructions for a child to tackle that particular question or that particular skill. 15 minutes from start to finish, from opening that Rekenrek ready to go to finishing it, closing the box, and going back to class.